given that the ratio x to 28 is equivalent to the ratio 7 to x, calculate the positive value of x. So I know that these are equivalent to each other. So if I put them on top of each other, I've got x to 28 and 7 to x. Now, I know that whatever I do to one side, I've got to do to the other. So I need to think, how do I get from x to 7? So what am I timesing by? So x times what will give me 7? Well, if I do it backwards, 7 divided by x will give me that question mark. So that means that I'm timesing on the one side by 7 over x. And that means I need to times the other side by 7 over x. So if I carry that through, I've got 28 times 7 over x is going to give me x. Now, if I put an imaginary 1 here, well, that ends up being 28 times 7, which is 196. 1 times x is equal to x. And if I times both sides by this x to get rid of it, I get 196 is equal to x squared. And I just want to know what x is. So I need to square root both sides, and the square root of 196 is 14.